Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. How are you?
I'm superb. What about you?
I'm also good. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Muhammad, son of Muhammad Salman. I'm quick learner with a positive mindset and work ethic.
What is your strength?
I am organized, reliable, and always eager to take initiative.
Okay, good. Tell me about your weakness.
I sometimes overthink, but I'm working on staying focused.
Okay, good. How should we hire you?
I'm dedicated, detail-oriented, and always get ready to contribute from the day one.
Describe yourself in a word.
Adaptable,
Okay, good. Why do you want this job?
because it matches my skill, give me a chance to grow professionally.
How do you handle your pressure?
I stay calm, prefer tasks, and focus on solution.
Tell me about your salary expectation.
I'm looking for roles that offer me a fair compensation, align with my skills, experience, and responsibilities involved.
Okay, meet you soon.
Sure.